Welcome to This Explainer. Let's turn early reading struggles into massive success using a simple phonics roadmap.
Ever wonder why kids write fog instead of frog? It's a super common spelling struggle.
The secret? This 6-step phonics roadmap, logically organized by difficulty, from single sounds right up to diphthongs. With blends, consonants stick together but keep their individual sounds. Think of words like frog, stop, or tent. Try the rubber band trick. Physically stretch the word out so kids hear every single letter. It works. Moving further down the roadmap, let's see how we build toward more complex multi-letter combos. Next up, trigraphs. 3 letters teaming up for one single sound, like in the words light or bridge. Quadgraphs take it further. That's 4 letters making one sound, which you see in words like ate or thought.
Okay, step 4. We finally reached the famous rule breakers of the alphabet.
Split digraphs. 2 vowels work together to make one long sound, but a consonant physically separates them. You probably know this as a magic E rule, found in words like bake, cone, or tube. That silent E at the end reaches back, magically making the first vowel say its own name. Moving on to step 5. Here, another bossy letter totally takes center stage. Meet the bossy R. It takes total control of the vowel. Have kids stomp their feet to show dominance. See how the R completely changes the original vowel sound in everyday words like car and for? Watch out for ER, IR, and UR. They sound identical. Try a fun group word sorting game for practice. Finally, we glide into step 6, the absolute most complex part of our reading roadmap. Diphthongs are gliding vowels. Your mouth actually changes physical position while saying the sound out loud. The sound starts as one vowel and literally glides into another. Think of words like coin or shout. And there you go, a complete phonics roadmap, perfectly organized by order of difficulty for beginners. So with this whole roadmap in hand, which tricky sound will you help your student conquer today?